Good morning. I know Gardner coming at you. It's that time of year, y'all. It's hot. What time of year is it? It's time to trim. Time to cut. Time to cut. See that lemon zest? It's gonna get a flat top. It's okay to go out, but it ain't okay to go up. Peach cobbler. Getting a flat top. I've already done Harvest Moon. But one of the things that I want you all to remember, hey Zena, is that these are trees. They ain't bushes. Look at that. Harvest Moon is not a giant anymore. Look at that. A straight flat top. Yeah, I left that little piece there, but that's a keepsake. But other than that, I flattened it right across the top. It's getting a cut. All right. That one, I'm cutting it straight across the top, and that's the one that's got all the grafts on it. A little bit of everything, but most of the grafts are down below. But it's getting big. No bushes. We're gonna let Bailey's marble get a little height. I'm gonna do that. But I'm still gonna trim it though. Like here, here, those little spots. So within the next few days, gonna be a lot of budwood around here. I ain't shipping nothing. If you want it, you're certainly welcome to have it. Look at this. There's a lot of trimming. Time to trim, y'all. Look at the peach tree. Now I did an experiment with the peach tree this year. You're supposed to cut your peach tree. Oh, look at the jackfruit tree. Hey, you're supposed to cut your peach trees way down because peaches are only gonna grow on your new growth. But I went against the grain and did an experiment, and I let them get big as all outdoors. Every one of my peach trees. Here's a jump out here. Yeah. Look at that, y'all. Look how big that is. That thing is giant. I allowed these peach trees, along with this one, and this one, I let them get tall just to see what would happen and if I would be able to get some fruit off of them. And they were loaded. But I'm going to bring them back down to a manageable height so I don't have to do ladders and everything. And finally, King Kong back there. Graham is just massive. She getting the biggest cut. I mean, I'm going to cut her real good. Trim her down to a manageable height. And everything is growing now. I mean, it's really, really growing. Look at them, Doc, my flat top. Meow. Now, Venus, I'm gonna leave it. May do a little bit of trimming, not much, but I'm gonna leave it. I ain't gonna bother it too much. The experimental tree from the keep seedling, I ain't bothering it. I've been cutting it back, y'all know, for the last few years. I'm not bothering it. I'm gonna let it do what it do. Hopefully, it will come alive in the next couple of years. It's about 6 years old now, so it's getting close. But yeah, it's trimming time. It's trimming time. This stuff got to get eye level. Peach tree, and y'all look at this. Look, look at that. We do have one cactus apple right there. Isn't that nice? I'm gonna eat that and all them antioxidants that's in it. But so that peach tree, this Jamaican plum, that peach tree, and again, I'm gonna take that down too. I got to go. I'm taking it all the way down. They all got to go. Come, Babylon's coming down. But I think that's it for right now. But the next video, y'all will see. We done bought them bananas up there. I had a load of bananas up there. Oh yeah, let me show y'all this. Yeah, it's becoming a forest. Listen, it's not called a food garden. It's called a food forest. Look at them bananas. Don't they look good? All right. Let no gardener coming at you. Just wanted to give y'all a heads up. In the next video, everything out here have a haircut. And let's see. Do have one mango ice cream. Y'all have a good one.